Welcome to Stockholm, the capital of Sweden and one of the most beautiful cities in Europe. Built across 14 islands connected by 57 bridges, this city blends royal history, modern design, and natural beauty in one magical experience. Our journey begins in Gamla Stan, Stockholm's charming old town. With its narrow cobblestone streets and colorful 17th century buildings, it feels like stepping back in time. Don't miss Stortorget Square, the heart of old Stockholm. Next, we visit the Royal Palace, one of Europe's largest palaces still in use. Home to the Swedish royal family, it's filled with art, history, and royal treasures. Nearby stands Stockholm Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, and the ABBA Museum, celebrating great minds who changed the world. Hop on a ferry to Djurgården Island, home to some of Sweden's most famous attractions, like the Vasa Museum, where a 17th century warship stands preserved, and the ABBA Museum, dedicated to Sweden's legendary pop band. Just outside the city lies the breathtaking Stockholm Archipelago, over 30,000 islands scattered across the Baltic Sea. A paradise for nature lovers, kayakers, and anyone seeking peace away from the city noise. Modern Stockholm is stylish, clean, and full of life. Visit Södermalm for trendy cafes, unique shops, and street art. Or explore the city's underground metro art gallery, often called the world's longest art exhibition. No visit is complete without a taste of Swedish culture. Try the famous Swedish meatballs or enjoy a cozy fika, a Swedish coffee break with friends. Stockholm, where history meets innovation and nature embraces every corner. Thanks for watching this global village tour. Don't forget to subscribe for more journeys around the world.